Yeah.
It's locked.
So, I'm happy still. I'm here today for a dream. Mine again.
We cut this.
No, I think we gotta go through the double doors.
Oh, can we? Oh, yeah, we can. Oh, let's go to this one. It's gonna be this one.
It's the middle one. It's always the middle one.
Oh.
Click on.
Oh, open cabinet. It's inside the cabinet. It won't be in this one. It'll be in that one. Okay.
Have we made this before?
No.
Because you're acting like you know everything. Mum, we gotta go in 15 minutes, remember that?
What? Was that check behind curtain? Can't hide. I can hide behind it. You just stepped on the bed.
Oh, that means we're gonna be chased by something. That's not nice. We're now just stuck on there.
Come out from behind the curtain. There was no curtain.
So basically, we're gonna have to run.
What happens if we close the curtains and then open them again? Oh, there's more. Oh no, it's not gonna be in this one.
So it's gonna be on the end one, and then we're gonna have to run all the way back. Oh no! Look behind the curtains. It said look behind these curtains. Look behind these curtains.
What's it? I can hide.
Oh no! Don't hide behind them. Click on there.
What's it? I think. Oh,
No.
let's do that just a bunch of times. Do God, I do.
You'd be rubbish.
Ooh, here. Pharmacy. My lock full of yellow pins and purple pins. What, can you move them?
They're just. We can... Oh, we got everything from the last episode.
Oh, nice. Wait. Nice. We lit our candle again. Why isn't it giving us light?
Click on here.
It's locked. Oh, there was a light switch. Oh no, it was been in here. Yeah, that. This one.
On that one.
No, there's more.
I don't even know which one we went in.
I love her running.
No, yeah.
It's got to be this one. Oh, it's a plant. Lorena Aquila reminds me of a special thing.
Oh.
It's gonna be in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
Jenna, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm like, this just makes me.
Exit. It's always.
Wait,
Occupants.
click up here.
Oh yeah, to go.
Oh, do you think that's pretty?
Go back. Freaky, ugly clock. Recipient. Fire extinguisher. Oh, nice. To the operation theatre. Oh, everything.
Wait, that one.
It's locked.
Okay, go back.
Okay.
Go back.
I'm just going.
Go back, go back, go back. I know where to go, I think. Or yeah, I think I know where to go. On there? Just open the curtains again. I know we've been in here, but there's nowhere else to go.
Okay. Oh, wait, look behind her.
Oh, we said.
Oh, wait. Open cabinet. Just in case there could be anything in these cabinets.
So we gotta go check the cabinet, all the cabinets.
Oh, the cabinet's just fine.
One's gonna have like a 7 head or something.
Oh, check cabinet. Useless stuff that I don't need.
I want to play eyes. When we get back, we need to play eyes.
Useless stuff that I don't need.
Jenna.
Oh, they all got. She freaks me out when she does that. It's
She's
just
worse
like
than like Tomb Raider.
useless stuff. I don't
This
need.
is supposed to be a scary.
Diary here reads, he, I hid in the third
Red bottle.
What's that? I hid in the third red bottle from the right. Third red bottle from the right.
Oh,
Oh, we have to check the bottles.
yeah. Which is down there. Go, Miss Al. That's what we're calling you.
Yeah, we're gonna call you.
Third red bottle from the right. That one.
Yes. He thought to a big door.
Oh, I know where it is. I know where it is. I know where it is.
And pills. Oh, perhaps we have to check all of them. I want to check all of them just in case.
No, because it won't be there until you've read something.
Right, just check all of the blues and then I'm done.
They're gonna kill my mouse. How much time have we got left? Okay, we've got like 10 minutes. Okay.
Oh, I was like, bye bye.
Go through that door.
Oh no, it's not that one.
Wait, yeah, it is. It could be. Use the keys. I've got my fingers ready.
It's locked.
I know where it is. It's the operating theatre.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh
There's
yeah,
a
the
small
other
door.
one.
I hate how.
It's not that one.
Why is this? Nothing's happened in this game, but it's scary. Wait, has anything happened
How
so
did we
far?
get here?
I don't know.
We were in our house.
And then we just mashed the keys and we're walking. I guess we ended up here.
That's still locked.
I'm so confused. That. I'm so confused.
Me too. This is like where?
Can we skip on to the next one?
Yeah. Let's find out what happens
Wait,
next.
wait. I know what to do.
Find out what happens in the next episode.
Oh, this tells you.
Oh wait, click the red button to it tells us what to do. Nothing else.
Oh, we didn't click on the red light.
Yeah, we did in the beginning. Remember it said all about the light.
Move. There's another one. It's my turn to sit on.
I'll sit with you. Okay, so I know what to do. So, I think this looks so much like myself.
I know, right?
But like an anime.
That's power.
Okay, so
Rude it.
enter ward B. Click on the plants with scissors to get coin.
Oh.
Where's ward B?
There we are. There. Get
Inventory, scissors.
I know horror games actually. So it explains what you do.
Yeah. Click on. Get up, otherwise she'll eat your hair. Jenna! Oh, Jenna, I know what to do. This is the scary part. Yes? Yeah.
Yeah.
Click on first. Okay, we've read that.
First,
Nothing else in. But it will have to do. Okay. Oh, we can read the notices. To-do list. Help Madame Grace get yarn for her knitting.
how do we do that?
Call maintenance to fix lights. Call Jim to arrange delivery. Find the clock key. I think one of the patients took it. I suspect bed B06. Yeah.
Okay, 6th bed. So it's.
Oh! I missed that. The lights just crashed. That's my new weapon.
I'm gonna be covered in slobber today. Hey.
Oh, poop.
Yeah. Yeah. Hit the bar.
Do it!
Kick.
Don't know.
Click on her.
Okay.
Why would you do this? I would crouch on the bed.
That's why I hate these. Like, if it was in real life.
Cool.
Mum's balloon. Jesus, just like, yeah.
Oh, we got some coat
Hangers.
We were in.
Okay, on the bottom right of the wall is a darker patch.
Okay.
Hit this with the torch and get an egg-shaped stone.
from the wall.
Where's the darker patch? Oh, left. Inventory. What was it with the torch?
A torch.
I don't even have a torch.
Yes, you do. It was one of the first things.
Next thing I know, boom, she's there.
Yeah, she is, because she's gonna hide in there, that's why. Okay, go, scroll
Yeah,
up,
where's
scroll up. You have to click on that.
Use this, Jenna.
Oh yeah.
And click on inventory, get the key.
Okay.
And the stone. And the stone. And
What do we need a stone for? Blah.
Ooh.
Oh, sure. Oh, drinks machine. Only accept coins.
oh, we can get a drink and then the ghost lady comes. Something's gonna happen. I don't understand how she comes. Oh, we got a drink.
It's a wooden nickel. We got a wooden
Click